Hello everyone. The team at Omdena collaborated with SurplusMap to build an application to identify power infrastructure to help accelerate the green transition. The area in focus for the model creation was India, but it can be used for any place as the user wants. The aim of the product was to accurately identify the power infrastructure in the areas at real time and determine their size. Real-time classification of the infrastructure into power stations, substations, and pylons can further be used to determine whether the current infrastructure is in good condition and has been destroyed, and whether the infrastructure is sufficient for supplying the population around it. The project pipeline included collecting data from websites such as Google Earth Map and SaaS Planet, processing the data to annotate the images into pylons, substations, and power stations, along with determining the best zoom level that can result in most accuracy and further fine-tuning the data. The data was then used on different models such as YOLT and different versions of YOLO. It was then tested by the team to identify the different power infrastructures. The model was finally built into a web application which can be used by SurplusMap in the future. The web application uses open source satellite images to identify the different grid lines such as power stations, substations, and pylons for the area that has been given by the user. Next, a brief demo of the product. So you can select the model you want to use using the drop-down menu and then browse your computer for the image. Once the image is uploaded and the application has read the image, you can click on Detect button, which then runs the model on that image and provides you with the identification of the infrastructure. It gives you the name of the infrastructure along with the accuracy. For better readability and making it easier for the user, it also gives the data for the blue boxes, which is the boundary of the infrastructure, in the form of JSON. So it gives you the names, the coordinates, and the accuracies. This was the product that was built by the team. This team of 10 collaborators worked throughout the weeks on different tasks and were able to deliver the product that was shown to you in the previous slide. This was the end of our successful collaboration with SurplusMap. Thank you.